Equity options are financial contracts that give you the right to buy or sell a stock at a set price by a specific date. Think of an option as a voucher. It is a legal agreement, not an ownership stake in the company itself. One important rule to remember is that a single option contract typically controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. Every option has 3 defining features: the price you agree to trade at, the deadline to act, and the fee paid to open the contract. Investors use call options when they expect a stock price to rise, and put options when they expect the price to drop. Unlike stocks, options have an expiration date. Their value generally decreases as that date approaches, a process known as time decay. Because options can expire worthless, they are considered high-risk tools that require a clear understanding of the mechanics before use. Thanks for watching. Remember that options trading involves complex risks. Educational content, not financial advice.